Have you ever wondered why your lovely garden suddenly becomes a favorite hangout for neighborhood cats? Is your flower bed turning into a feline restroom? It's time to stop the poo and reclaim your garden. Today we're going to delve into safe, harmless, and efficient techniques that will keep the cats away and your garden flourishing. 1. Understanding the cat behavior. Let's begin by addressing the root cause. Why is your garden a feline favorite? Cats, by instinct, prefer soft, loose soil to perform their natural duty. It's easy for them to dig and cover up after themselves, just as they would do in the wild. Understanding this behavior is key to solving our problem. 2. Natural repellents. Turning to nature, we find several repelling elements that can keep our feline friends at bay. Certain plants and herbs act as excellent natural repellents. Have you heard of Coleus canina? Also known as the scaredy cat plant, this plant gives off a unique scent that cats find unappealing. Also, herbs like lavender and rosemary are not just aromatic for us humans, but serve as potent cat deterrents. Incorporating these plants and herbs in your garden serves two purposes: keeping the cats away and adding an aromatic aesthetic appeal to your space. 3. Using garden structures. Altering the structure of your garden is another effective way to keep the cats out. How about covering the soil with rocks or pine cones? These not only add a natural decorative touch to your garden, but also make it challenging for cats to dig. For newly planted areas, a layer of netting or chicken wire can provide an effective shield against the feline intruders. 4. Commercial cat deterrents. If you feel natural solutions aren't working for you, we also have an array of commercial cat deterrents in the market. Motion-activated sprinklers, ultrasonic devices that emit high-frequency sounds, and non-toxic sprays are some examples. These deterrents are safe for use around pets and children, and they provide a convenient solution to our problem. 5. Regular cleanup. Last, but not least, maintaining a regular cleanup routine is crucial. A clean and tidy garden is less appealing to cats. If you promptly remove cat feces and keep the area neat, cats are less likely to return. Now that we've explored several methods to keep your garden cat-free, which ones do you think would suit your situation best? Do you find the idea of natural repellents appealing, or are you considering the convenience of commercial deterrents? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. So, keeping cats from turning your garden into a litter box is not an insurmountable challenge. By learning about their behavior, employing natural repellents and garden structures, using commercial deterrents when needed, and sticking to a regular cleanup, you can restore the sanctity of your garden. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!